You're cruising down the road, music pumping, windows down, enjoying the perfect drive. Then, suddenly, your car sputters and coughs like it has a bad case of hiccups. Smoke starts pouring out from under the hood. Suddenly, your chill road trip turns into a roadside nightmare. This doesn't have to be you. With a little love and care for your car, you can avoid those breakdowns and keep your car running smoothly. Even if you're not a mechanic, there are easy things you can do to keep your car happy and healthy. First of all cars have a standardized set of warning dashboard lights that illuminate to communicate potential problems. Understanding what these lights mean can give you a heads up about anything from a low fuel level to a serious engine issue. Your owner's manual will have a comprehensive guide to your car's specific dashboard lights, but typically, red lights indicate a critical issue that needs immediate attention, while yellow or orange lights warn of potential problems that require a checkup soon. Equipping yourself with this knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your car's well-being and avoid getting stranded on the side of the road. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car reliable and safe. Here are a few important checklists you can easily do yourself. I also have a bonus tip for you today, so bear with me till the end. Fluids. Your car needs several fluids to function properly. Engine oil. This is the lifeblood of your engine. It lubricates the moving parts to prevent friction and overheating. Oil gets dirty and breaks down over time, so it needs to be changed regularly according to your owner's manual. Ignoring oil changes can lead to engine wear, overheating, and even complete engine failure. Coolant. Coolant helps regulate your engine temperature. A mixture of water and antifreeze, it circulates through the engine and absorbs heat, which is released through the radiator. Check your coolant level regularly. Coolant degrades over time and can lose its effectiveness. Follow your owner's manual's recommendations for coolant changes. Low or old coolant can lead to overheating, which can damage your engine. Most cars have a translucent coolant reservoir under the hood with markings that indicate the proper level. If the coolant level is low, top it up with the correct coolant mixture specified in your owner's manual. Your radiator should also be flushed occasionally to remove those built-up deposits and helps your cooling system function properly. Your radiator is like a giant heat sink, keeping your engine from overheating. Over time, deposits can build up inside the radiator, making it less efficient. This can lead to overheating, which can be a major problem. You can take your car to a mechanic for a professional flush, but some car-savvy folks might even tackle it themselves. However, the frequency of a radiator flush depends on your car's make and model, so be sure to consult your owner's manual to see if it's something you need done annually or every other year. Brake fluid. This hydraulic fluid is essential for your braking system. When you press the brake pedal, brake fluid transfers the pressure to your brakes, which stops the car. Check your brake fluid level regularly. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can make it boil at lower temperatures. This can lead to spongy brakes or even brake failure. So, make sure your brake fluid is flushed according to your owner's manual. Transmission fluid. This fluid lubricates the parts in your transmission and keeps it running smoothly. Check your transmission fluid level according to your owner's manual, which may recommend checking it with the car warm and running. Dirty or worn-out transmission fluid can lead to shifting problems and transmission failure and hence need to be changed according to your owner's manual. Power steering fluid. This fluid helps to make your steering wheel easier to turn. Check your power steering fluid level according to your owner's manual. Power steering fluid can leak or become dirty over time and may need to be replaced. Low or dirty power steering fluid can make steering difficult. Windshield washer fluid. This fluid keeps your windshield clean so you can see clearly. Top up your windshield washer fluid reservoir when it gets low. Windshield washer fluid can freeze in cold weather, so you may want to use a winter blend. Let's talk about some tender love and care for your tires. Proper tire maintenance is crucial for safety, performance, and getting the most out of your tires. First, regularly check the air pressure. Improper inflation can affect your gas mileage, handling, and even be dangerous. Next, inspect the tread for signs of wear and tear. Worn-out tires can be a safety hazard, so it's important to replace them before they get too bald. Don't forget to check the sidewalls for any cracks or bulges, which can also be safety concerns. To extend the lifespan of your tires, rotate them regularly according to your owner's manual. And finally, don't forget about your spare tire. Make sure it's properly inflated because you never want to be stuck with a flat tire and a flat spare. Air filter. Think of the air filter as your car's lungs. It traps dust, pollen, and other nasty stuff from getting into your engine. A clogged filter can make your engine work harder, which means worse gas mileage and even potential damage. Here's the good news. Checking your air filter is super easy. Pop open your hood and find the air filter housing. It's usually secured with clips or latches. Once you remove the filter, hold it up to the light. If it looks dark and grimy, it's time for a replacement. Most car manufacturers recommend changing your air filter every 6 months, but check your owner's manual for the specific interval for your car. Your lights, dim or burnt-out lights, make it difficult for you to see the road ahead and for other drivers to see you. To avoid this situation, it's important to get into the habit of checking all your car's exterior lights once a month. Walk around your car and turn on your headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights. Ask a friend or family member to stand outside the car while you activate each light to make sure they're all functioning properly. Dim lights or lights that aren't working at all need to be replaced as soon as possible. Remember, properly functioning lights are essential for safe nighttime driving and ensuring you're visible to other drivers in low light conditions. Windshield wipers are often an overlooked element of car care, but they play a vital role in keeping you safe on the road. Especially in bad weather, like rain, sleet, or snow, having reliable wipers is essential for maintaining clear visibility. Here's some wiper wisdom to keep in mind. Check the condition of the wiper blades regularly. Over time, wiper blades can become worn, cracked, or lose their flexibility. This can lead to streaking or uneven wiping, which can significantly impair your vision. If your wiper blades aren't making good contact with the windshield or are leaving streaks, it's time to replace them. Battery. Your car battery provides the electrical power to start your engine and run all the electronic accessories. Extreme temperatures can affect a battery's performance, so regular testing is crucial. Many auto parts stores offer free battery checks, or you can invest in a simple battery tester yourself. A weak battery can lead to slow starts, flickering lights, or even a complete failure to start your car. If your battery test shows it's on its last legs, it's best to replace it before you get stranded somewhere inconvenient. Brakes. Now, let's talk about something super important: your brakes. These are what bring your car to stop. Not any kind stop. I am talking about a safe stop. So, you want to make sure your brakes are in top safest condition. While you can listen for any unusual noises when braking, of course a thorough inspection by a qualified mechanic is recommended on a regular basis. They'll check the brake pads for wear and tear, the brake fluid level, and the overall health of the braking system. Don't skimp on brake maintenance. Your safety depends on it. The Serpentine belt. Finally, let's take a look at your car's belts. The engine uses belts to drive various components like the alternator, air conditioning compressor, and power steering pump. These belts are typically made of rubber and can wear down over time. Open your hood and take a look at the belts. Check for any visible cracks, fraying, or loose connections. If you see anything suspicious, it's best to have a mechanic replace the belt before it snaps and leaves you stranded. Your bonus tip for today: even if you're not a mechanic, you can gain valuable insight into your car's health with a simple OBD scan tool. This device plugs into your car's diagnostic port and retrieves trouble codes triggered by sensor malfunctions or other issues. By searching online for the specific codes or using a compatible app, you can often translate these codes into plain English, giving you a starting point for troubleshooting the problem yourself. Most of the scan tools even allow you to clear these codes, potentially resolving minor glitches or resetting the check engine light. However, it's important to remember that clearing a code doesn't fix the underlying problem. So if the issue persists or seems complex, it's always best to consult a qualified mechanic for a proper diagnosis and repair. So, these are easy regular checks every car owner can make to extend their vehicle's lifespan without the need of being a certified mechanic. Simple car care routines often get skipped, but neglecting them can lead to major headaches down the road. But with a little planning, knowledge, and practice, you can keep your car running smoothly. You can find a link to Amazon page in the description of this video if you want to grab products like portable tire inflator, OBD2 scanner, portable jump starter, and battery tester. These are bestseller and popular brands on Amazon. We may receive a commission on purchases made from links. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.